The official extremist misfire foiled attack in Paris church. Guy found with guns, bombs, and he's going to go into the church open fire. He already killed his wife. He had killed him a day earlier. But then misfired. Extremist misfired. Foiled attack in Paris church. He had gun, he had a sack full of guns and ammo and all kinds of stuff. This is going to happen. This is going to happen. As long as you have extremists out there, this is going to happen. Until I'm the state to stop this, is going to happen. These people are going to swear allegiance to the land until the Islamic State. You're going to have one person. You're going to have one person. It doesn't even know where or when, but you're going to have one person. You're going to have one person. That's a sadness. So he wanted to try and get to Syria. But instead he went to a Paris church. He was going to open fire. He's going to open fire in the Paris church. Start on the Paris church. This is a very good thing to start with. Thank you for watching. Luckily they stopped it. Thank you for watching.